Good morning, students. We are studying lesson 3. We can sense. Today we are going to study about the nose. We will start reading with nose and we will also study tongue and skin. So open your book on page number 12. Now children, we will start reading with the topic nose. Our nose helps us to smell. You know children that we have one nose and it helps us to smell. It has two openings called the nostrils. Nose is open at the end and the openings are called as nostrils. Underline the word nostrils. Nostrils. Nostrils help us to breathe. Underline the word breathe. Breathe. You know children, we take in air through our nose and we take out air through our nose. This process is known as breathing. And so, nostrils help us to breathe. Our nose can detect a variety of odors. Underline the word detect. D-E-T-E-C-T. Detect means identify. You can sense a smell. Detect a variety of odors. Underline the word odors. O-D-O-U-R-S. And the meaning of odors is smell. When we smell a rose, the smell enters our nostrils. The nose sends a message to our brain telling it that this is the smell of a rose. So when our nostrils sense a smell, then they send a message to the brain and then brain tells us that this is the smell of a rose. Our brain tells us that it is a good smell. Now children, there is a box, pink box given after this paragraph. So the paragraph is answer orally. Name two things that smell good. Here I have written rose and chocolate. I find these two smells very good. So you can also write any other smell that you like. Number second is name two things that smell bad. Bad, I have written rotten eggs and garbage. So you may write anything else which you find that it smells bad. Now the next is tongue. Next sense organ is tongue. The spelling of tongue is T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. There is a picture of tongue also. Now read out. The tongue helps us to taste. It has many taste buds which help us to sense different tastes like sweet, sour, salty and bitter. The tongue also helps us to speak. Children, we will not able to speak without the tongue. So children, what we have studied that there are four types of taste. Number one is sweet, number second sour, S-O-U-R sour, number third salty, S-A-L-T-Y salty and bitter, B-I-T-T-E-R. So you have to underline these taste also. Now children, there is a box, blue box given under the paragraph. Now what does this box show? Saina wants to know. Name one food item that tastes salty. I have written here chips. Chips are salty, you all know. Second one is sweet. Chocolates are sweet. Number third, bitter. Bitter gourd. You have eaten, it is bitter. Number fourth is sour. Lemon. Lemon is sour. So you have to write these in your book. Now there is one more box in which it is written grandma says. Gargle after every meal to keep your tongue clean and mouth smelling good. So underline the word gargle, G-A-R-G-L-E, gargle, meal, M-E-A-L, meal. So what is the meaning of gargle? You have to rinse your mouth. You have to wash your mouth after every meal. What is meal? Meal is a food. Grandma is telling you to wash your mouth after taking meal. Now next is skin. The skin helps us to feel sensations. Underline the word sensations. S-E-N-S-A-T-I-O-N-S. Sensations means feelings. Like hot, cold, rough, smooth, hard, soft and sticky. Underline the word sticky. S-T-I-C-K-Y. Sticky, which is sticking. Our whole body is covered and protected by the skin. It helps in maintaining the body temperature by the process of sweating. Underline the word sweating, SWEATING. Sweating, you all know, we all sweat in summers. Now there is a box on the left hand side. Fact: ant. Skin is the largest sense organ. The color of the skin is due to the presence of a substance called melanin. Now underline the word melanin, MELANIN, melanin. So children, you all know that we all have different skin colors. Some of us have a dark skin color, some of us have a light skin color. This is due to melanin. Now children, moving on to the next page, page number 13. First there is a box in which written grandma asks why should we not touch electrical switches with wet hands? Children, you may get an electric shock if you touch electric switches with wet hands. Why should we keep sharpened objects out of the children's reach? Because it may hurt you. Now children, there is an activity for you all, fun time. Here is a list of some fruits and vegetables. Some of them are smooth to touch while some are rough. Put the names in the correct column. I have done it for you and you have to do. Smooth are spinach, potato, banana, grapes, pear, and rough are bitter gourd, cauliflower, pineapple, broccoli and custard apple. So fill this in your books. So hard words for today. Number 1, breathe, take air in and out. Detect, identify. Odor, smell. Meal, food. Sensation, feeling. Your assignment for today is write all the hard words along with their meanings in your notebook. Learn all the hard words. Draw the picture of nose and tongue in your notebook. Okay, thank you children.